All right, so we're about to take a little break to review. Here's what we've done so far: is motherboard in, processor in, memory in, power supply in, video card in. All right, so what we're going to do is take a break for tonight, start up again tomorrow morning, and what we'll start out with when we do that is that we'll install the SSD drive, the hard drive, as well as the optical drive. Yeah. And, okay. And we'll connect up the power to the motherboard. We'll connect up power to the other components, those drives. And then, as well as power to the video card. Then we'll hook it up to a monitor and we'll do a post test, which will see whether the PC boots up or not, and I'm confident that will start up the first time. So we'll find out then. We'll be back.